Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add shortcut in Google Chrome in laptop. As you can see, I've already opened my Google Chrome. So now open your Google Chrome and click on new tab. Here you can see add a shortcut version. If I wanna click on it, you have to name it as you want to name your shortcut. ITP. Go to the site that you want to shortcut, click on the URL, copy it and paste the URL here, paste it, done. See, if the shortcut is saved. From now on, if you click on the new tab button, you will see your new shortcut. This is how you get shortcut in Google Chrome in laptop. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.